Oh, way to spoil it, Corwin.
Spoil it, buddy. Alright, let's see. Look! Puppy! Girl puppy! Puppy! Sunglasses.
Let's see the puppy.
Show the puppy.
How cute! Puppy, yeah.
I will be in the box.
No, you're too big for that box.
Shoes! Puppy shoes.
Yeah, but I will see. So these are the puppy glasses.
Yeah, you don't wear them because your head's too big.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Happy birthday, Avery.
Happy birthday, Avery.
Happy birthday.